Today, we have a 2025 Keystone Montana fifth wheel. This 3532 SP is a new floor plan for Montana. This unit is 39 feet and 2 inches in length, has a dry weight of 14,405 pounds, and can sleep up to 4 guests comfortably. Starting with the exterior of this unit, we see the front compartment that houses the battery. On the side of the unit, we see one of the 2 propane compartments. Also, the pass-through compartment with a water management panel on the other side. We also see the unique motorized side patio. Inside the unit, we see the rear living and mid-kitchen area. Here we see the sliding doorway for the patio area. Starting in the living area, we see the raised countertop for dining. To the right of that, we see the entertainment center in the very rear of the unit. It features a telescoping 50-inch smart TV, JBL surround sound system, and large electric fireplace. Next, we have the Lazy Boy L-shaped sofa. This sofa features a hide-a-bed and reclining seating. Moving to the kitchen area, we see the large countertop with the oversized sink at the end. Next, we see the 24-inch Furrion range, over-the-range microwave, 18 cubic foot residential refrigerator, and cabinets for storage. Here we see the pantry closet and assisted pull-down storage. Moving towards the front of the runnet, we have the bathroom on the left side. It features a medicine cabinet and sink, porcelain foot flush toilet, walk-in shower with sliding glass door, and linen closet for storage. Finally, in the very front of the unit, we have the master bedroom. This room features a king-size bed with storage underneath, dresser with 32-inch smart TV at the foot of the bed, large wardrobe closet that is prepped for a washer and dryer. For more info or pricing on this unit, please visit our website or give us a call.